Hey everyone, and welcome back to your English fluency lesson. Now, today we are working all on talking about our past habits. These can be things that are finished or things that we've become finished with. Let's see how that works out. Ready? Let's take a look at our first sentence, which is I used to go swimming every weekend. I used to go swimming every weekend. I think you heard it in my second time saying it, but let's break this down, okay? I used to. See, we have used, it's got an ed on it, right? I use, and then we have to. Well, we can't have a d and a t together. I used to. Oh, sounds rough, right? So we're going to throw the d away. The first hard sound, we throw it away and blend it to the next hard sound, which is the t. I used to. There it is. I used to what? Go swimming. I used to go swimming. I used to go, not to, right? To blends easier than to. I used to go swimming when? I used to go swimming every weekend. Now, with time, we stretch it out. We make it very clear, and we stretched it out. I used to go swimming every weekend. Every weekend. I used to go swimming every weekend. Same time. Same time. Exactly. See, it's getting so much easier for you now that you've been doing this for the last almost 50 lessons if you've been here since the very first one. So let's put this all together. Repeat after me. I used to go swimming every weekend. I used to go swimming every weekend. Now we can say this with a different tone, right? Are we sad about this, right? Or are we thinking fondly of a memory? Let's say it sadly. I used to go swimming every weekend. Some of our fluency that we just built goes away, right? The sadness, that sad tone takes over. I used to go swimming every weekend. I'm sad about it. I miss it. Or we could say it with a fond memory. Maybe I'm an old man and I can't swim anymore. And I'm telling my grandchildren, I say, I used to go swimming every weekend. See, there's a tone up quality to everything I said. It's done, I don't do it anymore, but I'm happy about having done it. Cool? Tone changes the meaning. Let's pop on over to our second sentence, which is, he used to live in New York. Well, we already know what to do with used to. Let's blend that together, right? He used to. Ta is easier to blend than to. He used to what? He used to live. He used to live. Where? He used to live in New York. He used to live in New York. New York. We're keeping it clear. New York. He used to live in New York. Huh. That New York is important, right? He used to live. Means something different, doesn't it? So he used to live in New York. Repeat after me. He used to live in New York. He used to live in New York. Now, maybe he's not happy about that, right? So we can say it to mean that. He used to live in New York. He's sad. He regrets leaving New York, right? He used to live in New York. Or maybe he's happy about leaving New York, right? So when you tell your friend about him leaving New York and he's happy that he left New York, you say, he used to live in New York. But then you could follow that up with, and now he's happier here. Let's take a look at our third sentence. Boy, we are moving quickly today. Sorry, I'm very thirsty today. I don't know why. Our third sentence is, we always went to the park after school. Oh, this could be another fond memory, right? It doesn't sound like something that would be a sad thing to say, but let's blend it first, right? We always, that's turning into a Z now, right? It's a Z. We always went. Zwen. Zwen. We always went. We always went. We always went to. We always went to the. We always went to the park. That's it. We always went to the park when? After school. After school. We're giving it time, so it's got to be clear. And we also get that breath to say that. We said that whole big piece of a sentence really quickly, right? And then we take a breath and say the time. We say it nice and clear, right? I forgot what it was. We always went to the park after school. Yeah, it's a positive thing, right? It's a happy memory. No one's sad about going to the park unless, people used to beat you up at the park or something. No, very rare we would say something sad. How about that? So repeat after me. We always went to the park after school. We always went to the park after school. See, it sounds happy, doesn't it? It's a happy memory. It's a happy memory of something that's finished, probably. Maybe we're graduated. We have graduated, right? We don't have time for the park. We have jobs. So we think back on our younger years and say, oh, we used to go to the park after school. Cool. I miss that. I miss that. How about this one? Our fourth sentence is, she often played tennis when she was younger. Oh, okay. Let's blend this one together and then maybe we'll get a feel for that tone, okay? She often play. She often played. She often played tennis. See, if we say she often played and stop there, it's a D, right? It's a hard D sound. But played tennis, that's a D and a T. Oh, we can't really do that, right? We need to have something there to show it's past tense. Can we reduce that D sound without throwing it away? Let's try. She often played tennis. It's there. Listen, she often played. My tongue came up, right? My tongue came all the way up. And she often played tennis. Played tennis. We go up for that D, and then we don't do it. We switch right into a T. Hey, that's how we have to do it, right? She often played tennis when she was younger. When she was younger. She often played tennis when she was younger. Hey, it balances, right? It balanced out really nice. So repeat after me. She often played tennis when she was younger. Nobody's sad here, right? This is a fond memory, so we have an upbeat tone. She often played tennis when she was younger. So thirsty. I don't know what's wrong with me. I could say I often played baseball when I was younger, and I did. I often played football, American football. I'm not the running type. I'm the smash into people type. So, yeah, soccer or football isn't really my sport. I think it's cool, but I'm not built for that sport, Anyways, uh, just joking. Our fifth sentence is, I don't go hiking as much as I used to. There it is again. You heard it. You heard it. I dropped that D. Let's blend this all together, okay? I don't go. I didn't say that T, did I? Good. Good. T and G is hard to do, so we're going to throw away that T. Because we know that I don't is already don't. We don't really need to say the T, yeah? I don't go where? I don't go hiking. I don't go hiking as much. I don't go hiking as much. Well, we need more, right? We need something. I don't go hiking as much as. How much do you want? As much as you can give me. It's kind of a phrase, right? So it all goes together. I don't go hiking as much as I used to. I don't go hiking as much as I used to. da 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 da, just like a wave, right? It's a repeating pattern. I don't go hiking as much as I used to. So repeat after me. I don't go hiking as much as I used to. Kind of like a song. I don't go hiking as much as I used to. And it really is like a song. If you listen to a fluent speaker speaking well, you'll notice that they have a rhythm, a repeating rhythm, this flow like waves. And that's what I keep trying to show you with my finger or with the timing part. It's all a wave. It's all a sound wave, and we're trying to keep everything nice and balanced. Let's look at our sixth sentence, which is, we used to have dinner together every night. Oh, this could be happy or sad, but I would say this as a sad thing. Like, I miss that. So let's just smooth it out first. We used to, we used to, we used to have, we used to have dinner. We used to have dinner together. It's kind of, it is sad, right? I remember my family thinking about this, right? We used to have dinner together every night. Every night. It's time. So we make a point of saying the time, right? Every night. We used to have dinner together every night. It does sound sad, right? So we're going to have a little bit of that sadness to it because we miss it. You should miss it. I think you should miss it. Unless you had a terrible childhood, then hey, feel free not to miss it, right? You could have an uptone, but people will say, hey, why do you sound happy about that? And it might lead to an awkward conversation. So if you don't want it, feel free to lie, right? Anyways, repeat after me. We used to have dinner together every night. We used to have dinner together every night. Mm, I miss that. We used to have dinner together every night. I do. I miss that. And I think it should have a slight sad tone to that because that is a memory that, while great, right, for most people, is something we strongly miss, especially as we get older. Ooh, sad. We shouldn't have ended on a sad sentence, but here's some good news. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about describing changes over time. And that should be good, right? Maybe we're getting bigger and faster and stronger and smarter, and hey, changes over time. Who knows? You'll know if you come to the next lesson. And I'll know because I'm going to film the next lesson, and I'll see you there. Goodbye.